Serving by jersey number 18, Miaco. Received by Perez. Time set. The bottom of the top. Outside Troy for the right cross. Serving again by jersey number 18, Miaco. Received by Aganon. Time set. Guadalquivir. Received by Luis. Miace. Received by Aganon. Time set. Alapia. Received by Luis. Rubiniano. Received by Perez. Time set. Tapay. Pato. Received by Perez and Regalo. Tapay Villano. Inside Troy for the right pass. Serving again by jersey number 18, Miao. Received by Leon, not set. Upato. Received by Luis. Miao. Received by Leon, not set. Alapia. Received by Perez. Miao. Received by Upato. Alapia.
Tignan niyo lang si Joy.
Serving by jersey number 11, Bali. Received by Luis. Miace. Villana. Received by Leon. Aganon. Received by Luis and Regalo. Tapay Villano. Received by Leon. Utali. Received by Luis and Regalo. Tapay Villano. Received by Perez. Upato. Received by Villano and Regalo. Villano. Received by Alapia. Upato. Miao. Alapia. Upato. Received by Miao. Tapay Villano. Received by Leon and Regalo. 35, jersey number 7, Tali Balaguis. Received by Fuertes, led by Tali, attacked by Tupato. Received by Balaguis, led by Diamo, attacked by Balaguis. Received by Tali, Tupato, attacked by Alino. Received by Balaguis, led by Diamo, attacked by Villano. Received by Fuertes, Tupato, Alino. Jersey number 9, Tupato. Received by Talan. Diamo, attacked by Balaguis. Received by Ganon. Tupato, attacked by Ganon. Balaguis, attacked by
Video ko pag ewan ko. Ha? Video ko pag ewan ko. Ganun din ako nung kasi nagbibidyo ako.
Jersey number 9,
Talaga
Tupato. Received by Talan. Dali. Received by
Diba? Dapat talaga siya. Kahit na hindi follow eh. Tahimik. Lipat.
36 points for Barangay Lakas.
Yun na pala. Ito napansin. Sorry po. Remembrance.
Serving again by jersey number 4, Prigiliano. Received by Fuertes. Set by Tali. Aganon. Prigiliano. Set by Diamo. Attacked by Balaguis. Point for Barangay Lakas. Serving again by jersey number 4. Referee Simon. Yellow card for bench of Barangay Lakas. Serving by jersey number 4, Prigiliano. Received by Ganon. Dali set. Attack by Ganon. Point for Barangay Lusuan. Serving by jersey number 24, Alamino. Received by Villano. Reacted. Attack by Balaguis. Outside point for Barangay Lusuan. Serving again by jersey number 24, Alamino. Received by Balaguis. Reacted. Attack by Balaguis. Received by Aguillon. Set by Tali. Attack Fuertes. Received by Balaguis. Diamo. Point for Barangay Lakas. Serving by jersey number 11, Garland. Received by Alamino. Time set. Attack by Aganon. Received by Balaguis. Reacted. Attack by Aganon. Received by Ventura. Aganon attack. Received by Prigiliano. Miako. Received by Tupato. Set by Tay. Attack by Aganon. Received by Balaguis. Tumiako. Point for Barangay Lusuan. Serving by jersey number 6, Aguillon. received by Vigiliano. Miates, Ventura attacks, received by Upardo. Center tight, Fuentes attacks, received by Balagris. Outside point for Barangay Suman. Timeout, Barangay. Serving by jersey number 6, Aguilion. Received by Balagris. Set by Niago. Aganon. Point for Barangay Suman. Referee's timeout.
What's he done with the ball?
No score and no score. Serving by jersey number 6, Aguilion. Received by Balagris. Miates. Balagris attacks. Received by Fuentes. Received by Ventura. Miates. Ventura attacks. Point for Barangay Pass.
Nanginginig na ako dito.
Serving by jersey number 8, Balagris. Received by Aguilion. 36 point for Barangay Pass. Timeout, jersey number 8, Balagris. The service acer of the league. Received by Cupato. Center tight, Taco Fuentes. Point for Barangay Pass. Serving by jersey number 0, Akanon. Received by Balagris, Miago. Received by Aguilion, set by Cupato. Taco Fuentes, received by Ventura. Serving again by jersey number 0, Akanon. Received by Balagris. Miates. Balagris attacks. Received by Aganon. Dantes. Fuentes attacks. Received by Vigiliano. Balagris. Ventura. Received by Fuentes. Dantes.
My God.
Serving again by jersey number 0, Aganon. Received by Balagris. Miates. Balagris attacks. Received by Aganon. Aguilion. Fuentes. Niago. Deadlock 13. Back to the ball game. Serving again by jersey number 0, Aganon. Received by Vigiliano. Miago. Aguilion. Set by Tani. Fuentes attacks.